Good morning, students. Today we will be starting a new chapter from history, the Russian Revolution or Communist Government. After First World War, during First World War in 1917, Russia was standing on the helm of a new change. After the return of Lenin from exile, he founded a Bolshevik party and tried to spread the ideas of communist government in the country. By this, he tried to bring lots of changes in the country and tried to create an idea where throwing of autocracy, nationalization of banks were being done. Now, Harry Young, who was a communist supporter during that time, he had said,
Dead silence, vast hall, 3,000 people from all over the world. And a little man, or not much bigger than me, broader-shouldered, with rather Mongolian-looking face, very bald head, little whiskers there. And he got up and he just leaned over like a podium in Arthur's corner, like that. And he just talked to him like a Dutch uncle.
Во всем мире растет союз коммунистов. В ряде стран победила уже советская власть. Еще недолго, и мы увидим победу коммунизма во всем мире. Мы увидим основание Всемирной Федеративной Республики Советов.
during that time, the communist ideas were spread out all over the world. Other countries also followed, like Berlin in Germany, and Munich was successful in taking communist government. Hungary also tried to do the same under Russia, but all these communist revolts were not very successful and they were controlled or suppressed by the government. During that time only in Russia civil war started. The Bolsheviks, who were called as Red, had a fight against the liberals or the pro-Tsarists, who were called as Whites. The Tsarist the Tsar, Russian ruler, came under the control of Bolsheviks. Bolsheviks tried to spread the ideas of communism everywhere, and they also founded a secret police called Cheko. Through that secret police, they used to fight against all the opposition of communist government. During that time only, the writers, actors and liberals, they tried to create a new type of society in Russia. Through various big posters and banners, they tried to spread the ideas of communist government. The public plays were organized to make fun of the old regime, and public places like trains were used to spread the ideas of communist government. Through various colorful posters, they tried to spread the ideas of communism and make people aware that how communism is very helpful for Russia. So people used to read these posters, and in these posters they used to show how the aristocrats or rich people are torturing common people. So common people should overthrow or get rid of these parasites. The working class or proletarians, they used to take the major decisions of the country. They tried to bring medical facilities for everyone on equal basis. So this way the communist government was trying to bring equality in the society, and they were trying to show everybody that they are bringing that time where new sun will arise and everybody will be equal. So this way it is the Bolshevik government and basic ideas of communist government. That's all in today's lesson. Remaining will continue in next class.